How to create border and Microsoft Word in your mobile phone using Shape. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more video like this. Go to Word application. Go to plus sign on the upper right side on your screen, tap this, and create blank document. Here in document, on the lower right side on your screen, you can see the arrow up, tap this, and go to home. Here in home, go to insert. In insert, you can see here this shape. Tap shape, and now here in shape, you can find the square in shape. Use this square as a border. So you can drag this square and set as a border. After that, after you create this shape as a border, you need to remove this fill color. So go to fill and tap the arrow right. And below of this, you can see here the no fill button. Tap this to remove this color inside on your shape. And now you can use this as a border. You can insert a text inside. You want to add the text. So, okay, we have successfully created border in Microsoft Word in your mobile phone using Shape.